Hello everyone, my name is Naushad and today we are going to solve this question minus 3x plus 21px is equal to 84. In the given equation, p is a constant. The equation has no solution. What is the value of p? Option A 0, option B 1 by 7, option C 4 by 3, option D 4. So first we will write the equation here minus 3x plus 21px is equal to 84. So we can look at both the terms minus 3x and plus 21px. Both of them are divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 sevens are 21. And x is also common. And here there is a minus sign in the beginning. So minus 3x we will take common. So minus we have taken common, 3 we have taken common and x also we have taken common. So here in this first term nothing is remaining. So we'll write 1. Now minus we have taken common. So this sign will change. This plus will become minus. Then in the table of 3 we will get 21. 3 sevens are 21. So we'll write 7 here. X we have taken out, so only p is remaining. Bracket close is equal to 84. Now, what we will do, we need the value only x. So we will divide by minus 3 first on both the sides. So minus minus cut, 3 3 cut here, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 carry forward, 3 8s are 24 and minus sign. Then minus sign we will transfer on the top. X bracket 1 minus 7p bracket close is equal to 28 upon minus 1. Minus sign we can transfer on the top, so it will become minus 28 upon 1. So it will be minus 28 only. X bracket 1 minus 7p is equal to minus 28. Now, the x value we want to find, so we divide by 1 minus 7p on both the sides. So here 1 minus 7p cancel, x is equal to minus 28 upon 1 minus 7p. Here we want to put such a value that we get no solution. The equation is no solution. So no solution is possible only in that case where it will be undefined, where this 1 minus 7p will be 0. So we will write for no solution, the denominator here should be 0. So 1 minus 7p is equal to 0. So in order to solve this, we will subtract 1 on both the sides. So 1 minus 1 cancel, minus 7p is equal to 0 minus 1 will be minus 1. We want the value of p, so we'll divide by minus 7 on both the sides. So minus minus cancel, 7 7 cancel, minus minus cut. Here p is equal to 1 upon 7. So 1 upon 7 will be the answer, option B. So this is how we can solve this question. If you like the video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the whole video.